Hey everyone, I'm Moses Nieto, and welcome to Bourbon Breaks and Real Estate Takes, where you get straight up real estate insight poured alongside some of my favorite bourbons. But before we jump in, quick note, Bourbon Breaks and Real Estate Takes is my own project, separate from the work I do as a licensed realtor with the brokerage I'm with, Seminole Realtors. That's why I serve buyers and sellers right here in the Louisville and surrounding areas. But this channel, this is mine. Copyright Moses Nieto, all rights reserved, and it is where I get to share real estate knowledge in a more relaxed conversational way with the pour in hand. Today I'm sipping a Old Forester 95 proof, a rich full-bodied bourbon with notes of sweet vanilla, warm caramel, and a touch of spice. There's a layer of toasted oak, a hint of leather, and a whisper of chocolate on the finish. It's smooth enough for the easy sip, but bold enough to stand out. The kind of pour that makes you slow down and appreciate the craft. So what's this channel about? It's simple. I'm blending two passions. First, bourbon, Kentucky's pride, and my personal hobby of exploring new bottles, tasting notes, and distillery stories. Second, real estate. The market trends, buying and selling strategies, and inside tips I've learned both inside the Louisville market and as a realtor, helping clients make smart moves. If you're here in Louisville, you'll hear me talk about what's happening locally, whether the prices are rising, inventory is shifting, or interest rates are creating new opportunities. But here's the thing, even if you're across the country, you'll get tips you can use anywhere. From staging your home for top dollar, to negotiating repairs, to understanding how to read the market before you even buy. These are strategies that work nationwide. My goal is to give you content that entertains, educates, and gives you an edge, whether you're looking to buy your first home, sell for maximum profit, or enjoy the virtual bourbon tasting. Along the way, I'll be dropping bourbon recommendations, bottles worth grabbing, how to build your collection, and yes, even some hidden gems that won't break the bank. So if you love bourbon, like real estate, or just enjoy a good conversation with a little Kentucky flavor, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss out on an episode. New videos are coming, and I promise you, you'll leave each one with something you can use, no matter where you live. Here's the smart moves in real estate, smooth pours in bourbon, and great conversations in between. Welcome to Bourbon Breaks and Real Estate Takes.